And now trains, or to be more precise, the train that was to have been the brightest of them all, the Advanced Passenger Train, APT for short. Conceived 20 years ago, the APT today was supposed to be carrying us all at speeds of 160 miles an hour, almost 40 miles an hour faster than the ordinary high-speed trains. In fact, it's failed. Like other brave new British inventions we couldn't quite get right. This report by Peter Gill reveals that British Rail have for the time being abandoned plans for 160 mile an hour rail travel. Instead, they now want more government money to build a slower version of the APT, so that the name, and some of the technology at least, will live on.
Alone and immobile in a Glasgow loco shed. The biggest question mark of all hangs over the APT. Tomorrow's train is now yesterday's train, tomorrow maybe. Only Hornby makes it work. Even their sales are depressed because of British Rail's failures. For the APT, time is running out. Timings. London-Manchester, now 2.5 hours. By APT, down to 1 hour 40. London-Glasgow, now 5.25 hours. By APT, as low as 3 hours 50.